Some of these hacks are actually pretty insane where you can get everything out of the vending machine, but I don't really recommend you doing that because you could get in trouble and the person that owns the vending machine would not get any money at all. So I don't really recommend you doing that, but if you just want to get like a bag of chips or something like that, you can actually use some of these hacks to get a free bag of chips, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys want to, you guys enter my gift card giveaway. I'm giving away 10 gift cards, and to do so, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on the video, and simply just comment down below what gift card you like. And that being said, let's go ahead and get right onto this video. Alright, so the first clip we have here is a guy named Chris and his friend, and they went up to a vending machine and they ended up actually getting 5 bags of chips completely for free, which is pretty awesome.
Alright, well, you do it and then once you select it. Oh shit. So that's the word? Wait. Well, after you finish that.
How many is
okay,
there?
there you go.
3? Oh, dang. No! It's stuck. You have to tilt it. You just have to tilt it. Just take out the stuff and tilt it. No, you just have to tilt it a little bit.
They're all loud now. Will it go off?
No, I don't think so.
You mean like an alarm or something?
Nah. Tony, tilt it. Tony, tilt it. Tilt it.
Tony, get in here.
Tilt it. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. This is so bad for you.
This might as well be the holy grail of vending machines right here.
Let's do it. Come on, come on. Oh! No! It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Come on.
Wait.
Right there.
Oh, dude, this is amazing.
Yes!
No chips? Dude, it's not even opening.
Yeah, because there's so
It's not even opening.
Here you go. Oh my gosh! Are you serious? No way! No way! Wait.
You get a chip. Everyone gets a chip.
Alright, so moving on to the next clip here, we have a kid that hacks a vending machine, and he has a pretty clever method to actually get free stuff from the vending machine.
My trick was I wrinkled it a little bit, and then I typed the number super fast and I swiped it back. When it came back, I swiped it. Let's see if I can. Yes.
Alright, so moving on here to the next clip now, this kid actually hacks the vending machine and he ends up getting 2 drinks, and the way he did it is actually pretty cool.
Put your money in. And you're gonna need this type of machine that has a little cart thing. I'm gonna show you in a second. Put your money in. Alright. What you're gonna do is you're gonna order a drink. I'm gonna order B5. 5. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door, and the thing is gonna come up. B4. B5's not working. Alright, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door while it does that, and it's not gonna go through. So it's gonna try. It's gonna try again. And then what's it gonna do? It's gonna keep trying, and it's gonna stop. It's gonna give you your money back. Give your money back. And you still have no product. So what you're gonna do? Get all the. No, hold on. Alright, I put 150 in. Now you're gonna order a different one. I'm gonna order something else. I don't know, just a random drink. Now you're gonna stop the door again. And it's gonna give you 2 drinks.
So this next vending machine hack right here, we have a kid that actually puts a dollar bill in, and he picks whatever he wants, gets a bag of cookies or whatever, and somehow he figures out how to actually get his money back. It's pretty cool.
I have a dollar here. Now, I want C3 Chex Mix. So it's one of the healthiest things in here right here. So insert $1 bill face up. Oops, as shown. So $1 that way. Okay. And so no face down. Let me put this down. Okay, so venture $1 is 40. So there's only $1 credit. Nothing down here. So and then we're going to hit C. And then I got that, but look, there's no change in the change machine hand. So, and then you just want to hit this corner turn button right here. Bingo, and you get $1 back from the corner turn sign. So you can go ahead and count it out: 25, 50, 75, $1. That's how you override a vending machine seat.
So the last clip we have today is from Brady, and Brady's gonna teach you how to hack a vending machine. And the way he does it, everyone does it in a pretty clever method, but this guy does it in a pretty cool way.
And then over here, you put your hand, so it come out. And then you do that until it goes away. And then it goes away down there. So as it's going down, and then it will come back. And then you do that again. And it should say homing X right here. So, and then you grab homing Y. Then put another in. So you put the dollar. Why am I going? So put in a dollar. It like put my drink down there. Again.
Did it come back up?
Not yet. So you have to put another dollar.
Well, that seems strange. Wait, I don't put anything else in.
What?
Let's ask.
Wait.
No!
I already put my money in, so I'm gonna do the same combination.
Alright,
And it gives me the right drink. Yay! See? Can I have an air?
it should give you that. Yeah, it's giving you that. And it's like spitting straight away.
So there you guys have it. That was some awesome vending machine hacks. If you guys end up enjoying this video, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like. Also, if you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys never miss a future video from us. And that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.